I'm starving. I was thinking about this one time when I went to this place and I had amatriciana. It took me forever to learn how to pronunciate this word, by the way. Amatriciana. I don't know why, but it was served with bucatini and it was delicious. And it sounds super good right now. So I'm going to try to make some. It's typically made with pork jowls that are cured, called guanciale. It's really hard to find, so I'm using pancetta, but we're going to pretend it's guanciale so the pasta police doesn't come after us, because if you don't make it with guanciale, you're wrong. It's well, I'm getting hungry, so let's get to it. So like I was saying, grab your diced guanciale and put it in a cold pan. Render off some of that fat, but you don't want it too crispy. In that fat, wake up some pepper and red chili flakes. Then toss in a can of tomatoes, as good of tomatoes as you can find. Mash those up if they're whole, give them a stir and let it simmer for like 15 minutes. Longer if you wanted a deeper flavor, less if you want it more acidic. Then you want to season your pasta water to your liking and grab some bucatini. Place that in and cook it until it's done. That's what al dente means, right? All done? Then you transfer your pasta straight from the cooking liquid into the pot. Stir that up and then add some more pasta water if you like. It really helps tie it all together. Cook it so it gets to know each other well, and then add some Parmesan cheese. Taste it before you season it because everything's kind of salty. It didn't need much. Then plate it up and enjoy. For this recipe, I use the simplest possible version that I know, but you can add onions, garlic, whatever you like. The world is your plate of pasta. Grab it by the tomatoes and run. Or something like that. It's really good. I mean, like, super good. I'll see you guys later. Bye.